34,000 coins, almost 701 shillings. You know, you get it, my people? 701 shillings. Abingandaho. That was very massive. That was very crazy. I can't even forget it, bro. That's why I'm always crazy about you, my brother.
Here's the thing. On this platform, listen to me. Utimurantinyi. Ndamwenyene ko muninya. Ariko singeneye ko munankunda kuko mukomeze muntinye mo gato. Ko listen to me. Nandukaniye. Ndi umuntu nkamwe turakora ibintu bimwe. I'm here on this platform. But remember, I'm a blogger. Anita ibyo kwivugishwa gutya nugacurikira umuntu nzakubaga. Urimo kumva? Ujye wirinda. Urumva? Tugomba turi mu isi imwe ariko mfite indi simbamo. I'm a blogger. Singiye tugomba kubitandukanya bikandi ibi biboro bituma manga this platform. Ubundi iyi platform niyo najeho ndaza. Iyi platform iragoye kuyibaho. That's why you didn't see nkina izi nani abantu biruka banyinge ngo ningine bayita gute iyi ngiyi 5 bira bintu mutegura mugakina for
official game
co-host
yeah
official game
kanzo ngeze ukuri nakabaye narayikinnye urumva ariko ndabakunda ariko mbatinya kubi urumva ndabakunda ariko mbatinya kubi simbabeshya ndabakunda ariko mbatinya kubi urumva there's this agenda I'm a blogger which bitandukanye na n'intuza ubu turi kuvuga nano ndi kureba hirya ngo ntabwo nigeze mfunga live yanjye on ndabona ari abafi 240 bari guturagurika urumva sinatse kubyumvikana ariko ikintu kimwe umuntu afite ibice bibiri afite uruhande mu mubiri we rwiza n'urubi so you choose one of the positive side or negative side kandi zose ndazikoresha ngewe uyu mugabo uri kwandika